What's up, you guys? I'm so excited you're here because today we're diving into something that could completely change the way you approach your goals and dreams. Today, I'm revealing something more valuable than any giveaway. Seriously, this is the secret sauce to success. I'm talking about the 6 people you absolutely need in your life if you want to reach your highest potential and truly succeed. Have you ever wondered what it really takes to achieve massive success? Maybe you've seen others crushing it and thought, what's their secret? Well, it's not just about talent or luck. It's not just hard work. It's about having the right people in your corner, supporting you, challenging you, and helping you grow every step of the way. I'll break down the 6 essential roles you need to find, or even become yourself, to make your biggest dreams a reality. These roles are the backbone of every successful journey. Every crazy project I've ever pulled off, every big win, came down to having these key players by my side. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. And stick around for a bonus tip at the end that ties it all together and gives you that extra edge. Let's dive in and meet the 6 people you need to succeed. First up, the visionary. This is the person who stands at the edge of what's possible, always looking beyond the present moment. They're the ones who see a world that doesn't exist yet, but could, if only someone dared to dream it. This is the person who dreams big, so big it sounds impossible. Their ideas might seem outlandish at first, but that's exactly what makes them special. They imagine rockets to Mars, cities in the clouds, and technology that changes lives. They see what others can't and inspire everyone to chase that wild vision. Their energy is contagious, and soon, others start to believe in the impossible too. Without a visionary, you're just drifting, going through the motions, without a real sense of purpose or direction. They set the destination and make people believe. The visionary points to the horizon and says, "Let's go there." And suddenly, everyone wants to follow. Think Steve Jobs or Elon Musk. World-changing ideas start here. Every breakthrough, every revolution begins with someone bold enough to imagine it first. On your team, you need someone who dares to ask what if and isn't afraid to challenge the status quo. The visionary's job: define the goal, dream huge, and get everyone fired up to make it real. They turn dreams into missions. Without them, the story never begins. Every great journey starts with a visionary who dares to see the future before anyone else can. Next, the strategist. The visionary dreams, but the strategist builds the plan. They break down big goals into actionable steps and keep the team on track. They're the voice of reason, turning what if into here's how. Without a strategist, chaos takes over and dreams stay dreams. This is your master planner, anticipating problems and creating the roadmap. They turn wild ideas into real projects. Now, the executor. This is the person who gets things done. No excuses, just action. They thrive on checklists, deadlines, and making real progress every day. While others plan, the executor builds. Without them, nothing gets finished. They're the engine, the hands-on doer, and the antidote to procrastination. Every team needs someone who turns plans into reality. Fourth, the motivator. This is the heart of the team, keeping everyone's spirits high when things get tough. They celebrate wins, lift people up, and remind everyone why they started. When morale drops, the motivator reignites the passion. They create a positive, supportive culture and keep the team moving forward. Without them, teams burn out. The motivator makes the journey enjoyable and possible. Fifth, the learner. This person is always curious, always improving, and never satisfied with good enough. They bring in new ideas, tools, and strategies to keep the team evolving. The learner challenges the status quo and prevents stagnation. Without them, you risk falling behind. They're the catalyst for growth, always pushing for better. Every team needs someone who's obsessed with learning. Finally, the networker. This is your connector, the one who builds relationships and opens doors. They find resources, partners, and opportunities you'd never reach alone. The networker is the team's ambassador, turning internal excellence into external success. Without them, you're stuck in a bubble. They unlock new levels of opportunity and growth. The networker is the key to the world. There you have it. Visionary, strategist, executor, motivator, learner, and networker. These roles are essential for any successful team. You don't need 6 people. Sometimes one person wears multiple hats. In the early stages, it's common to juggle multiple responsibilities. Be honest about your strengths and fill every role, even if it's just you at first. Identify where you excel and where you might need help. Now, the bonus tip: you must be your own biggest believer. Confidence in yourself is crucial. Your passion and conviction are the fuel that inspires others. When you believe in your mission, it becomes contagious. If you don't believe in your vision, no one else will. Your enthusiasm sets the tone for your team. Build your dream team, lead with belief, and watch what happens. The right team can turn your vision into reality. Thanks for watching. Let me know which role you are in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. Your feedback helps us grow and create better content.